guys. I love this backpack. I've been trying on all different backpacks. I wasn't sure what kind I wanted. I didn't want a backpack that hung too low. I didn't want a backpack with the thick straps that was real casual looking. I just didn't know what I wanted. But I saw this one here, and I actually got this at the Gucci outlet, and I held on to it because I wasn't sure if I really wanted this piece, even though if I completely fell in love with it when I saw it, because I'm usually not a backpack girl. But when I started wearing it and trying it on, I realized, oh my goodness, this is the piece, you guys. It is a Gucci Marmont backpack. And like I said, I got it at the outlets, so it was a little bit cheaper. Outlets are not that much cheaper, but it was a good hunk, you know. So I was really excited when I saw this, and I was trying to decide if I wanted the red one or the black one, you guys. But once I tried it on, there was no competition. I got this black Gucci Marmont backpack. Is that what it is? I think it's Gucci Marmont. I don't know. Anyways, I am loving this. I love the straps on this. Now, the day that I was trying it, I had like a sleeveless top and the chain was cold, and I didn't know if I knew that if I were to buy this backpack that I could not wear sleeveless because it was cold, and I knew that I didn't want the chain against my skin due to the fact that it might leave indentions because it is a chain. So when I purchased it, I started wearing it, and I have had no issues with this backpack because somebody was asking me, as I did post this on Instagram, and somebody was asking me if the chain bothers me. It doesn't bother me because I don't let it bother me, meaning I don't wear clothing where the chain sits on my skin, so it doesn't bother me. Now, wearing my sweater or wearing a t-shirt, it has been perfect. But you guys, it is so cute on. But before I show you what it looks like, the mod shot, let me show you how nice it is on the inside. It opens up so big. It's just such a great backpack. I've been using it already for month, not really sure. Oh great, here's my lipsticks. And the space in this bag is just amazing, and it has definitely worked out for me. So I am so happy. I love the opening, and I love that it's light so I can see what's inside. I'm thinking about buying a whatchamacallit to go on the inside, one of these things. And I love the front pocket. That's where I keep my reading glasses and my cell phone sometimes. I've noticed a lot of times my cell phone now goes into my pocket, so, but if I need to, it'd go right in here. And I love the fact that it has one pocket there and then two over here. It's just been such a great backpack. I am so excited about this backpack, and I love the fact I've been putting my pom-pom on here, and I've also been, because this bag is on my back, I don't know who's trying to get into it. So what I do is I take the two tabs here, and so I don't worry, I actually put the bag charm through both of them so no one can really get into it. They can't just pull it open because it is closed up by the ring. So I feel so much better wearing this backpack and not having to worry if someone's getting into it. And if I'm really worried and I'm going out in the country, or out of the country, I'm sorry, I can always put a lock on here, like the lock from my Alma BB or whatever, from my Speedy. So let me show you what this bag looks like on me. It is so adorable. It doesn't hang too low. The straps are adjustable here, so I can adjust it here depending on what length I would like it. So here we go, you guys. It is adorable. And look how cute that looks. I love how the strap looks here. I think it just, I don't know, it's nice and thin. It's not this big strap. I love how it hangs. If I want it lower, I can make it lower. I notice sometimes the backpacks will hang like this part will stick out like that. I don't like that. I like how it's just perfect on my back. And I love the simplicity of it. I am loving the chain, you guys. I mean, look how pretty that looks. Look at that. I think bag charms look great on this bag. So I am so excited. I mean, look how cute that is. There you go. So, how cute is that? This is one of my favorite bags right now. I have been using it and loving it, and I feel like I picked the perfect backpack. Even though if everyone's been talking about the Palm Spring Mini, which I love, but if I got that bag, I would not use it as a backpack. I would use it more like a crossbody or a shoulder bag. It is an adorable piece, but this is definitely a backpack. I can't use this like a crossbody. But oh yeah, let me show you the other way I also carry this bag as well. So I also carry this bag just like this. It makes it really easy. And it still looks cute just like this. My backpack looks adorable just like this. So how cute is that? And it carries a lot. I will have to do a video on what fits into this bag, you guys. So if you have any comments on this bag, please let me know. I have, if you have any questions, anything, this has just been so much fun to carry. So anyways, you guys, the video is done. I gotta get going.